Hey everybody, I'm Kyle the Modder. I got the Clickity Clack fridge door mod done. I do love it. I want to review it with you guys to kind of give you some experiences or impressions of it. So first impression, the hinges are a little weak. As you see, the door is actually lower on this side than it is over here. I did align everything right. I did put the pins right. My prints are actually, damn square as far as, some of the standards out there. I have reset the door about 3 times, and this presents a solution, well, a problem which will create a solution. So I'm in the process of redesigning these to help align them to allow us to be able to adjust them. I got a couple ideas, possibly putting a screw here that you can tighten it to pull the pins out. Well, they would do this. And the other thing is just using actual bearings inside here, like 3 of them maybe in a longer pin. I haven't really decided what I'm doing with that. For now, I'm just enjoying the fridge mod. Now, something that should be included that is not are roll-in T-nuts. Those should be included. They're not. For whatever reason, LDO decided against that. But the other thing is you need some foam tape. So I actually already ordered some foam tape through West 3D for the replacement panels, and it's the perfect thickness. I mean, if you look, it seals nicely. No light coming through there, so we know that's sealed. Notice the sound difference too. There is a considerable sound difference. I'm really excited about this. I like this thing. It's awesome. This seal, which I haven't finished, I wanted to show you how to install that. Basically, you take it like this, right? So this little cornered lip is on the outside, and you just press it in there. It's really easy. You want to cut them at 45s if you can to create a seal. It's better to have a little extra than not enough, especially with keeping the plexi panel in there. But overall, minus the hinge leaning stuff, I would say 10 for 10. One other thing I had to do, because of how precise my printer is, I actually had to file this down a little bit to get that to latch in there easily. So, food for thought. You guys do you. Let me know what you guys think about my suggested mod for the hinge after you get yours installed. Go ahead and let me know in the comments. But overall, 10 for 10. This is probably one of the coolest upgrades I've done. This looks like an expensive 3D printer now. My friend of mine who teaches mechanical engineering came by and saw that and asked me if that was a $30,000 3D printer, and it made me chuckle a little bit because no, it's my custom Voron. So very cool. The mod is awesome. I super appreciate it, and as you can see, we are printing the final parts for the Trident, so we get the Trident going. I am told that LDO has plans on releasing a fridge door for the Trident here soon, and as soon as that's available, I'm gonna get it. So anyway, Kyle the Modder, please like and subscribe.